Ratios versus rates. Ratios are comparing one quantity, amount, size, etc. to another with the same units. For example, comparing the number of legs in an elephant to the number of legs in an ant. The ratio of the number of blue stars to the number of red stars stick to a page in the book. Rates are again comparison of two things similar to a ratio, but the things are of different types. For example, comparing the number of ant legs to its number of body segments. In ratios as well as in rates, the order in the comparison matters. For example, when comparing the number of elephant legs, 4, to an ant legs, 6, 4 comes first and 6 comes second. Similarly, when comparing the number of ant legs, 6, to its body segments, 3, 6 comes first and 3 comes second. Ratios and rates can be expressed in three different forms. 1. Writing 2, between the numbers that are being compared in verbal form. For example, comparing number of elephant legs to the number of ant legs 2, symbol. For example, comparing the number of ant legs, 6, to its body segments, 3, can be written in colon form as 6:3, 3, fraction. For example 6:3, can also be written as 6 divided by 3. Two ratios that have a special relationships wherein one ratio can be expressed as a multiple of another ratio is called as equivalent ratio. For example, in the figure 1 below the number of red ants to the number of black ants is 2:1. In the second figure, the number of red ants to the number of black ants is 4:2. Hence, the number of red ants doubled from figure 1 to figure 2. Similarly, the number of black ants doubled as well. So, in both figure 1 and in figure 2, the ratios being compared are multiplied by the same number, 2. Hence, they are equivalent. Unit rates. A rate that compares the number of units to just one another unit is called as a unit rate. For example, an elephant has 4 legs. Hence, there are 4 legs per elephant. Examples. 1. For a rate of 60 miles every 3 hours, the unit rate is 20 miles per 1 hour. 2. For $3 for 3 coconuts, the unit cost is a $1 per 1 coconut. 3. For 100 lines read per 5 minute, the unit rate that is read is 20 lines per minute. Example that is not a unit rate. Comparing the number of legs in an ant to its body segments. It's not a unit rate as it's not comparing the legs to one body segment. Equivalent ratios and rates. If for making an orange juice, 1 orange is used to mix with 2 cups of water, how many oranges are needed to mix with 12 cups of water? Oranges divided by cups of water equals 1 divided by 2 equals x divided by 12. Multiplying 2 by 6 gives 12 cups of water. When creating equivalent ratios, the same number is multiplied or divided for both the values in the ratio. Hence multiplying 1 also by 6 gives the value as x equals 6. Hence 6 oranges are needed to mix with 12 cups of water.